Get comfortable in your seat, wherever it is that you want to sit. Start with a nice good exhale, get everything out. Deep inhale through the nose. Nice deep inhale again. With every breath, and feel more and more relaxation coming over you, letting loose of all the problems. Focus on your breathing. If you ever stray, just come back to your breathing simply. Relax yourself from your head, your face, onto your neck and your shoulders. Relax your chest, your back, and your stomach. Loosen up your hips, your legs. All the way down your knees to your toes. Complete relaxation coming over you with every inhale. Try to have a sense of a feeling at whatever level you're at right now, of the presence of Hashem, and the light of Hashem coming down, the infinite light coming down from up above. Coming down through your head, spreading throughout your body. As this light starts to fill you up, you sense a presence and a sense of tranquility and relaxation, of belonging, of feeling at home, feeling safe, feeling connected. Think about how you know Hashem is there. You're aware of that, you're conscious of that. And you bring the light down to your heart and you feel how Hashem is here, surrounding you, watching over you. In the room with you right now, present, filling up your whole entire being, surrounding you on all sides. Now, spiritually, I want you to look up, so to say, as if you're looking above your head. And here we're going to place the first face of the cube on top of us. The mitzvah, the oraita, biblical commandment. Anochi Adonai Elohecha, asher hotzeticha meretz Mitzrayim. I am Hashem, your God, that took you out of the land of Egypt, took you out of all of your constraints. I am Hashem that took you out of all of your problems. The only solution. When we form this first face of the cube above us, this first city of refuge to protect us, to bring us back to God consciousness. Hashem is the one. Hashem is always there for me. Now we want to look down below our feet to create the second face of the cube. This is the mitzvah. Lo yeh lecha Elohim acherim al panai. Shall not have any other gods, any false idols. Don't put your trust in anything but Hashem. Only connecting to Hashem, not in the government, not in the military, not in the money, not in the wealth, not in the wisdom, not in the strength, not in my status in society. No other gods, no other beings, no other forces could ever save me, could ever help me. Hashem is the only solution. Everything else is below me. Therefore, this face of the cube is below us. It would be below me to look down when I have such a strong connection with my Creator. And we want to move to the right side of us. Try to sense and to develop the mitzvah, feeling of the mitzvah of loving Hashem. Loving Hashem so much that I'd be willing to give up everything for Him. I love Hashem, that means I love the Torah. I love the mitzvot. I love Am Yisrael. And I go away from fallen loves and fallen lusts. And I run towards proper lust and proper love, loves of connection, love of growth, of expansion, of deep learning and connection and prayer, doing good for one another. Now we look to the left of ourselves. We want to place now the fourth face of the cube, fourth mitzvah d'oraita, lirauta, to have awe of Hashem. And imagine now Hashem standing over you, standing behind you, watching you right now. I have a sense of the awe of how simple and small we are, and the greatness that is the Creator. Created all of us, the whole entire world, everything that was, is, and will ever be. Brings life to everything at any given moment. And He gave us a Torah to follow and mitzvot to follow. And a job to complete, to fulfill. Now we want to be able to look forward right now in front of us and to form the fifth face of the cube. And that's the mitzvah of to unify Hashem's name, to unify all the different expressions that Hashem shows us in this world. Shema Yisrael, Adonai Eloheinu, Adonai Echad. Shiviti Adonai lenigdi tamid. All the lights up above before creation is exactly what I'm experiencing down here. And everything I'm experiencing down here is all rooted in the lights from up above. Whether I'm going up and super successful, I know it's a gift from Hashem. And if I feel like all the doors are closed and I'm going down and falling, Hashem's there with me as well. It's all one. Ani havaya lo shiniti. Hashem never changes. It's just how I'm experiencing it. And finally, the sixth face behind us. Close off the cube. Do not be swayed by the way of your heart or your eyes, to guard ourselves. Every time we see we're not successful, or we feel like we're not worthy, to not go there, to not allow that to pull us away from what we know to be true. When we see something and it arouses a lust, it takes us away from our goal, something that's not the main thing that I should be focusing on. I won't let it go from my eyes to my heart. I won't let it take me off of my path. Finally, as the Arizal says, the mitzvah, the light that no mitzvah can give you, the connecting point between all mitzvot of the Torah, the inner aspect, the seventh aspect, the simcha, the joy, to know that at least, if anything today, I learned some Torah, and I held and kept 6 precious mitzvot in a simple 10-minute span. 6 of the gems of the diamonds that Hashem gave us, I was able to right now fulfill by way of my mind. In simple contemplation, with simple breaths, I was able to connect to a little bit of divinity. And when I tap into divinity, I tap into all of it. A little bit of the infinite is the infinite. That should bring immense joy and pleasure and delight over my soul and over my body. Whenever I feel like I'm in danger of losing it, I have forces coming against me, I'll be able to run to these 6 cities, to this cube, to box myself in, to protect myself in from all sides, and to know I'm surrounded and filled with the light of Hashem. You can stay in this as long as you want. When you're ready, take a nice deep breath.